we going to today, Deanna?
Fairystone State Park in Virginia.
Alright, maybe we should go. Get in here. Alright, well, we made it over the Fairystone State Park, and this is the Stewart's Knobs trail system. Dogs are allowed. It's a little bit of a warm day today though, so we left Blaze behind on this particular hike. But it's this whole area here. We're gonna make our way up here. There's Iron Mine Site, Iron Mine Trail, Whiskey Run, Upper Stewart's Knob, Lower Stewart's Knob, so we're not really sure which one we'll go to. We'll just kind of play this by ear and hike around. So there is a little pay station here. It's $7 parking up to 8 passengers, 15 for HOV parking, and then 35 for a bus. They do have annual parking passes available as well. There were some reviews that some of these trails are a little overgrown, so we'll see if that's true. We just wore our sandals today, so this is not the trail. All right. Well, we will go straight first. Looks like this area could get quite muddy after a long rain. So luckily over the past couple of days, it's been fairly dry through here. I think a lot of people come to this state park for hopping in the lake to cool off. And there's also some places to take your horses around here as well. In front of us is where charcoal was once produced. Looks like a bunch of weeds right now. Looks like there might have been a trail or something going up there at one point in time. Alright, so we made it up to our first intersection here. Iron Mine Trail, Beach Overlook, and the Iron Mine. It does look a little overgrown. At least it narrows quite a bit. But, oh, there's a mine right there. Maybe we should check out the mine first. Mine tailings. The hill in front of you may look like just another small rise, but it is actually a pile of tailings from the iron mine up the trail. Interesting. Ooh, nice and cool over here. In 1906, the Virginia Ore and Lumber Company modernized the mining operations of Stewart's Knob. Instead of digging the ore with picks and shovels, the miners chiseled the ore from the mountain with jackhammers powered by compressed air. Like I said, it's a fairly warm and humid day today. Blaze would not have liked this as much. Shade definitely does help. Made it to another intersection, Iron Mine Trail, over straight ahead. The Iron Mine Site, I guess they're both straight ahead. Trailhead parking and Iron Mine Site that way. So I think it's just a loop. It's just a loop. Maybe I should get the map out again. After much debate, we're gonna go this way. Let's go this way. It is a very nice and quiet day here in the Virginia wilderness. All right, local Virginians, what are all these orange mushrooms? Assuming they are not edible, but they are everywhere. If they're edible, let me know and I'm gonna come back here and collect them all. The trail has widened up a little bit. It's pretty steep through here though, you can see on one of the switchbacks going up right now. Just in case you're curious, we are on the yellow trail right now. I'm assuming making our way up there eventually. Well, looks like we're done for the day. We gotta turn back. There's a tree.
Unless the switchback's right up there.
I don't know.
They might have just missed part of the switchback.
There's an old part of the trail that doesn't look like it's maintained.
I mean, this looks like it's been here a while.
Nope. Yesterday.
Look how oxidized it is on.
Alright, that looks pretty slippery and muddy. Think I can make it up here without falling down?
Hopefully.
Yeah, pretty muddy. Woohoo! Slipping, sliding. Still making our way up. I have no idea what the elevation gain is on this trail. I'm guessing probably 200 or 300 feet or something like that. We'll see. It's all zigzags. I'm gonna go up there and show them while I sit here nice and comfortably. See you later. Just kidding, I'm gonna go up. There's a bunch of evergreens just slowly starting to grow up at the forest floor here. Be interesting what this looks like in like 10 or 20 years from now. If they get enough sunlight through the canopy. Baby ones, yeah. Baby ones. We chose to go to the Overlook. It's crazy being the only ones here today. Quite a bit of hiking out here. I mean, not miles and miles, but some cool hiking. Ow, twisted my ankle on the rock. You gonna plant it?
I'm just pounding it into the ground.
Look at that view. Can't really see it that well on the GoPro because it's so sunny. Contrast. I'll see what I can do in Premiere Pro. Change the lighting a bit. I'm thirsty. I'm gonna drink some water. Well, that was a pretty sweet viewpoint. Did you like it?
I did.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
All right.
See more viewpoints.
I don't think there's that many more viewpoints, but we'll try to find them. That breeze coming through here feels fantastic. Blowing that warm, humid air away from us, or on us, I guess. But it's still nice. Trail is a tad bit overgrown this way. I don't know where you went. There's a lizard up here. That would be called a widowmaker. It's a nut inside of a mushroom.
Kind of looks like it, except it's soft.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Never seen anything. I'll put it back. Hopefully I didn't kill it.
Made it to another trail intersection, and we're probably gonna head towards the beach overlook. So I was just asking Deanna, do you like this better or the desert? And the answer was?
It's hard to choose one because they're so different, but this feels more like where I grew up, so I have to say it feels homey in a way.
Homey?
Yeah. What would your answer be?
Colorado.
Well, yeah. That wasn't a choice, though.
It wasn't. So how about you all? Do you prefer woods, the beach, the desert? What is your favorite landscape? I prefer mountains. There's a little turtle. Turtle, turtle. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. How did you get up here? This is quite the hike for a turtle. Did you know that?
A mountain turtle.
He is a mountain turtle. Did someone bring you up here against your will? We left Mr. Turtle up 200 feet from the water. Still don't know how we got up here. That would have been a long trek if he climbed all the way up here. But we're back on the trail, heading to the beach overlook. I have a rock in my sandal. Now we made it over to the beach overlook. There's the beach. We're overlooking it. Making our way back down. See if the turtle beats us. Well guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
DnSAdventures.com.
And as always,
Adventure on.
waterfalls are nice, but now we gotta hike up 100 or 200 feet probably.